You'd love to get more bone broth into your diet, but you're not quite sure how. You know bone broth is extremely healthy for your metabolism, for your digestive system, and for your overall health. Yes, you know you can sip it straight from the mug and you still have your grandma's chicken noodle soup recipe stored in the pantry, but you've been there, done that, and you're craving something new, something you'd never ever think to make. Welcome to 15 anti-aging bone broth recipes. Recipe number 1. Creamy broccoli soup. Simply roast your vegetables and puree them with chicken bone broth and coconut milk. How easy is that? Basic bone broth chicken soup. Bone broth chicken soup is made with boneless chicken meat, tender vegetables, garlic, and healing chicken bone broth. It is nourishing, flavorful, and perfect for a cold winter day and cold and flu season due to its warming and healing properties. Add cooked rice or gluten-free noodles for a complete meal. All recipes can be found in the description. Next one, creamy coconut broccoli and wild mushroom soup. There's nothing more satisfying than a quick velvety soup when the leaves start to fall. However, most bisques, chowders, and other rich soup have heavy cream as a base, but not this one. This chicken bone broth has coconut milk and spinach for an extra layer of creaminess. Chicken and mushroom stew. If you like a thicker soup, here's a handy trick. To make your recipes gluten-free, simply sprinkle in arrowroot powder instead of flour. That's exactly what we do here in this chicken and mushroom stew recipe, making a thick, rich stew base, then topping it off with chicken, leeks, onions, and mushrooms. Carrot ginger soup. If you don't think your cooking skills are up to pat, there's hope. This soup is ridiculously easy to make. It requires just 6 ingredients and a blender to prepare. This recipe is foolproof, quick soup that anyone can make. Thai chicken soup. This Thai chicken soup with coconut milk, shredded chicken, and chunks of sweet potato comes together easily in under an hour. It's lightly creamy and bursting with all kinds of fresh flavors. Add a little heat or a lot, it's up to you. Turkey meatball kale soup. This satisfying soup is tabletop ready in a total of just 30 minutes. Plus, the meatballs are gluten-free and dairy-free, substituting cassava flour in lieu of breadcrumbs and leaving cheese out entirely. It's packed with amino acids, veggies, and greens, and is perfect for the whole family. Unstuffed cabbage roll. Traditional Italian cabbage rolls are fun to enjoy, but time-consuming. In this recipe, you skip all those unnecessary steps, choosing to prepare cabbage rolls in one pot. Plus, you can use beef bone broth or chicken bone broth in this recipe. Slow cooker crispy chicken carnitas. You got your daily dose of chicken bone broth on Taco Tuesday. This recipe uses a slow cooker to combine boneless, skinless chicken broth with red onion and spices. In 6 to 8 hours, your carnitas are ready to be topped with guacamole, salsa, and fresh cilantro. Beef bone broth chili. If you're a chili fan, you're in the right place. This no-bean beef chili recipe is seriously the best. In fact, it just happens to be an award-winning chili recipe, and there's nothing really like a warm bowl of classic chili, especially as the weather cools down. It's easy to make and is perfect for game day, a lazy winter evening, or anytime. Traditional Irish shepherd's pie. You know you can make chicken pot pie with chicken broth, but what about shepherd's pie? This traditional Irish shepherd's pie is tasty, healthy, and meaty. It pairs well with ground turkey or ground beef. Brussels sprouts gratin. This low-carb side dish is packed with heavy cream and mozzarella cheese, making it taste like an indulgence. Full of healthy fats, it's sure to please a crowd over the holidays or at any family gathering. And best of all, it takes just 30 minutes to prepare. Easy quinoa salad. Quinoa is an extremely versatile due to its rich and nutty flavor. For a grain, it's actually packed with protein, squeezing 8 grams of it in each cup. You can cook quinoa in water, but swapping in bone broth offers an incredible boost in flavor and health. Beef and mushroom parsnip risotto. If you're following a keto diet or other low-carb diet, you might be missing your favorite grains. But just as zucchini can be made into pasta, parsnips can be made into rice. In this recipe, rice parsnips before combining bone broth with coconut milk into one creamy dish. Roasted garlic chicken soup. This roasted garlic chicken soup is loaded with chicken and vegetables, all simmered in a delicious roasted garlic broth chicken broth. Give one of these anti-aging digestive healing, health boosting bone broth recipes a shot. Your body will thank you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more delicious recipes.